In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Jasper AI to write a blog in less than a minute. I know, it's crazy, right? With Jasper, you could create high quality content in a fraction of the time it would take you to write it manually. Previously, I have shared 2 other ways that you can use Jasper AI to write long form blog copy, but what about when you just need to get that content on your blog? Well, friend, you are in luck because Jasper recently introduced the one-shot blog post. Let me show you how it works. First, you'll need an account with Jasper. If you don't yet have an account, you can get a free trial by using my link, which I've put down below. Now, go to Templates, Blog, then select One-Shot Blog Post. Now, put in your blog description any important details that you want to include. You have up to 800 characters to use here. Next, fill in your tone of voice. This could be something like excited or how-to, witty or fun, or a well-known tone of voice like Bob Marley or even Bill Nye the Science Guy. I personally love witty because my mom says I'm witty. So that is what I will add here. Now, include your intended audience, hit that generate the AI content button, and wait for Jasper to work his magic. You will be given 3 outputs. Select the one that you would like to use, add it to a document, clean it up, add or subtract, or just run with it. And that's it. You have now created a blog post in less than a minute. I know it blows my mind too. Listen, if you want to learn more about AI or content marketing, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe because I'm going to be hitting you with more content coming up soon here on the channel. And if you want to try Jasper out for yourself, don't forget the link to my free trial is down below. Thanks for watching. Now get out there and start creating.